This isn't some flashy movement that I'm telling you about today, but it's one of the most effective, efficient, and time-tested strength builders that's out there. Do you want a simple, brutally effective, full-body strength exercise you can do at home or in the gym? One that builds real-world strength, boosts your posture, helps with balance, and even works your heart? It's called the farmer's carry, and I've been doing it since I was a kid, long before I ever stepped foot into a gym. I grew up on a farm. Every day we were carrying something weighted, and oftentimes we were carrying 50 to 100-pound bags of feed, seed, or fertilizer. And let me tell you, that farm work, especially the carrying, was the foundation of my strength. I didn't know it at the time, but we were basically doing loaded carries every single day of the week. Let me hear from you in the comments section. Are you currently doing farmer's carries? If so, how do you go about doing it? Do you do it at home? Do you do it at the gym? Just tell everybody how you're doing it. I want to hear from you on that. Now let's talk about why the farmer's carry is such a powerful exercise, especially for those of us in our 50s and beyond. The farmer's carry is about one thing: picking up heavy weight and walking with it. It sounds simple, but don't let that fool you. This one move lights up almost every muscle in your body. Just listen to all the muscle groups that are affected by this one exercise. You have the grip in hands. This is huge. Your fingers, your hands, and forearms are working overtime. It's one of the best grip strengtheners on the planet. And then again, like I just said, your forearms. Your grip strength comes from the forearms, and this is going to build them like nothing else. Then you have shoulders and traps. Carrying weight pulls your shoulders down. You're fighting to keep them tall and level, and that works your upper back and your traps very hard. Then there's the core. You don't think about the core when you think about farmer's carry, but your abs and obliques are constantly engaged, especially to prevent tipping or twisting. It's like doing planks while you're moving. You have your upper back that's affected. Your rhomboids and rear delts help stabilize posture, so that's important. Then there's the glutes. Every step you take activates the glutes, especially when walking with purpose. Then there's quads and hamstrings. Your legs are carrying the load, literally, and they feel it. And of course, let's don't forget the calves that get hit by this exercise. And stabilizing each step with weight increases the challenge to the lower leg muscles. And don't forget, there's a big cardiovascular component here as well. Your heart has to work to move all that mass. So you get strength and you get the conditioning all in one. If you're at the gym, your best tools for doing this exercise are dumbbells, kettlebells, or using the trap bar or hex bar. Pick up a weight in each hand, stand tall with your shoulders back, brace your core, and walk. That's it. Keep your strides long and stable. Don't let the weights pull you forward or sway side to side. Now, if you're training at home and you don't have weights, here's a few of my favorite workarounds. First up, go to any home improvement store and grab 2 bags of pool salt or water softener salt. They usually weigh around 40 pounds each. And here's the best part. They've got sturdy built-in handles right on the bag. If the grip bothers your hands, throw on a pair of work gloves and you're good to go. You can also use 5-gallon buckets filled with water, bricks, rocks, or whatever you can find to put in there. It'll challenge your grip even more, but it's another solid option. Just be cautious. The handles can dig in a bit, so you will definitely need gloves there. And here's a bonus option I know firsthand works great. Load up a wheelbarrow. Fill it with cement bags, concrete blocks, or sandbags. Then push it in a straight line or uphill if you really want a challenge. On the farm, I pushed the wheelbarrow all the time, whether it was hauling fencing materials or bags of feed or concrete blocks or debris. It didn't matter. It doesn't just test your strength. It tests your lungs, your legs, and it tests your mental toughness. I can attest to all of these. I recommend starting with 2 to 3 sets of 30 to 60-second walks. If you're in a tight space, walk down and back several times. And as your strength and endurance improve, increase your carry time or increase the load. You don't need to go to failure here. Just challenge yourself while maintaining great posture. The Farmer's Carry is joint friendly, posture building, and functionally powerful. And for guys over 50, it hits everything we need: grip strength, core control, shoulder stability, real world endurance, and mental toughness. This isn't some flashy movement that I'm telling you about today, but it's one of the most effective, efficient, and time-tested strength builders that's out there. If you've been skipping loaded carries, it's time to bring them in. They're simple, powerful, and perfect at any age. I want you to give it a try and let me know how you like it. Okay, we're going to catch you on the next video, and until then, you go get fit.